Hello everyone. Today is another session of merchandise planning and we'll be discussing visual merchandising. This is second part of the video on this series. The purpose of visual merchandising is to attract, engage and motivate the customer towards making a purchase. Visual merchandising commonly occurs in retail spaces such as retail stores and trade shows. So if you remember, in part 1 of our series, we had seen that visual merchandising is something that appeals to the eyes of the customer. So in order to get the customer to come inside our store to purchase some product, we have to attract, engage and motivate them. So visual merchandising is visually appealing to the customers and makes them come into our stores and purchase our products. And this kind of visual merchandising is usually in retail stores as well as in trade shows where we want to attract customers. So here you can see a retail store's focal point where in the middle of the store they have created a attractive display of mannequins which are wearing the latest clothes that are being sold in the store. Here again you can see the display of Indian clothes where matching accessories and everything has been displayed very nicely, and you can also see the prices on the various labels as well as you can self-select here. So let's now look at functions of the visual merchandiser. A visual merchandiser takes care of the window display, representing a seasonal theme with mannequins, the arrangement of merchandise according to concepts and stories. So in this picture, you can see that it is a holiday theme where the customers are being told about the various products that are available in the store. In this particular picture, you can see a Miss India representing the store and wearing the same dress or outfit that is being displayed here. So you can see what you can match with that particular dress, the accessories, the shoes, the purse, everything can be seen here and it is available in the store. So this is another theme that is being applied here. The visual merchandiser decorates the window display in such a way that the customer gets excited by the brand and increases the walk-ins. So you, as a customer, you might see a store, the window is so beautiful that you think, okay, now let me get into the store and buy the particular product which is displayed here. So that is how the window display attracts the customers. A visual merchandiser also spends a lot of time training the store staff on how to place merchandise. So any of the store staff would be told that this is the way to set up the display to make it pretty for the customers to feel attracted and to buy it. He also trains the staff to follow instruction manuals and advises them on what should go on the rack and be displayed on the floor. So here, as you can see, the visual merchandiser has displayed clothes on the mannequin. The same clothes are available on the racks right beside it, and other accessories are all available in the store. So this is how they will train the staff to make sure that whatever has been displayed in a way that the customers are attracted and can choose whatever they want as per their choice. He sets the color scheme of the floor. So whatever be the design of the floor or of the retail store, there will be aspects of it that have to be in harmony. So the color scheme of the floor could be like pastel shades in one side, bright shades in another, clothes of different colors, products of different shades. So everything has to be kept in such a way that it harmonizes together. He takes a call on slow moving merchandise and makes sure it gets prominence through better lighting and display. So whatever is not being sold, they can display it on mannequins, make it attractive, and attract the customers, or whatever has to be prominently displayed is something that will get the light on, We'll get the customers attracted. We'll keep it in a place where they can get attracted. So it is up to the visual merchandiser to display products in such a way that what is not getting sold, the slow moving products, are also something that the customer wants to buy. So now let us look at principles of visual merchandising. Makes it easier for the customer to locate the desired merchandise and category. So as you can see in the picture, whatever has been displayed on the mannequins to attract the customer has been displayed right next to them. So the customer can accessorize, can self-select and buy whatever they feel is going to look good on them. Make it possible for the shopper to coordinate and accessorize. Recommend, highlight and demonstrate particular products at strategic locations. So you can keep products strategically and make the customers aware of whatever is being displayed in the store. Educate the customer about the product in an effective and creative way, and make proper arrangements in such a way to increase the sale of unsought goods. So whatever goods are being bought by the customers, some of them are actually bought by them because they want it. But there are some products which they don't realize that they need. Those are our unsought products, and visual merchandisers can display it in such a way that customers are attracted to it and start purchasing it. So now the techniques that we can use. Visual merchandising builds upon or augments the retail design of a store. So whatever the design of the store, visual merchandising adds to it. It is one of the final stages in setting out a store in a way customers find attractive and appealing. Many elements can be used by visual merchandisers in creating displays, including color, lighting, space, product information, and sensory inputs, such as smell, touch, and sound, as well as technologies such as digital displays and interactive installations. So you can use lights, you can highlight your mannequins, you can use digital displays to attract the customers. The smell could be some light fragrance in the store. You can allow people to touch the products. They can be light music. So all of this helps in creating a total environment which is conducive for the customers to purchase. A planogram. When we talk about visual merchandising, a planogram is the arrangement of the merchandise in such a way that everything is synchronized and the customers are attracted to the product. And it may happen that the planogram is used across all the branches of the retail chain so that all the products are displayed in a very similar manner in all the stores of the retail chain. So supposing you go to a store of a particular brand in one area of the city, and then you go to another store of the same brand in another part of the city, all the products would be displayed in a similar manner. So it can be arranged by style, type, size, price, or some other category. And this is a kind of a plan that we have for display of merchandise on the shop floor. When we talk of visual merchandising, we have windows display. The window display we have seen in our earlier videos are very attractive to the customer, and they work on pulling the customer into the store. So window displays can communicate style, content, and price. You can also use it for any kind of special offers or any sales or any kind of seasonal particular offerings. Food merchandise is used by stores which are selling any food items. So you can make it bright and attractive or anything that can be different from the other similar stores. So we use visual merchandising as a tool to differentiate themselves. So this was all about visual merchandising and the techniques that we follow. And I hope that the next time you go to a retail store, you will look around and see what kind of measures have been used by the retailer and the visual merchandiser to attract the customer. So take care of yourselves and keep safe and have a lovely day.